Welcome to the View Your Results video tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to view the results after running an analysis of your hazard scenario. Once Hazus completes the analyses for your scenario, you will want to explore, visualize, and interact with the resulting data. In general, all hazard scenarios have similar options when viewing results in Hazus, but there are also hazard-specific results. Hazus produces results for direct economic loss and social impact measures for all models, but the specific type of data and the viewing options vary according to each hazard. While this video will demonstrate viewing options for results from an earthquake scenario in Salt Lake County, Utah, it is recommended that you explore all model result data for each hazard. When your scenario analysis is complete and you are ready to view your results, open the Results menu to reveal the types of results you can view for your hazard analysis. These results vary depending on your hazard type and the analysis options you selected before running the model. Some of these results have further options that allow you to filter and sort the results in a variety of ways. For example, under General Building Stock, Building Economic Loss, there is an option to view Direct Economic Loss results. Selecting this option will open a dialog box with grids displaying direct economic loss values for the GBS in each census tract of your study region. Direct economic loss is a measure of the repair or replacement costs for damaged buildings, the cost of losses to buildings' contents or businesses' inventories, and the cost of losses caused by the interruption to business activities in that area. Please note that these loss estimates are based only on the general building stock data and building economic loss parameters within Hazus. Your results will change if you modify the general building stock attributes in your inventory data or override the building economic loss parameters before your analysis. For more information on these topics, please watch the General Building Stock and the Run Your Analysis video tutorials. You can display the distribution of direct economic losses across your study region by selecting a column header such as Total Loss and then clicking the Map button. Click Close to return to the map. The color-coded results will be displayed as a layer in your study region map with the legend displayed in the table of contents. If the default breakdown and color scheme are not suitable for the type of result you are viewing, you can easily change them by adjusting the map symbology. To change the symbology, right-click the layer you want to change and click Properties. Then select the Symbology tab. Here you can change the range of values and classes represented in the data breakdown by changing the classification value. You can also use the color ramp to change from the default color scheme to a gradient progression or other color scheme to make the map more useful when shared with others. When you've made your selection, click OK to return to the map and view your data. Please note that while these layers can be used to create maps and other products for sharing your analyses results, it is recommended that all map or web-based products be created outside of Hazus. Now, return to the Results menu to continue exploring the various results of your analysis. Congratulations! In this video, you learned how to view the results after running an analysis of your hazard scenario. Look for more Hazus video tutorials on the FEMA YouTube channel.